Hello, and welcome to this tutorial series on JPAD Modeller by SmartUp Engineering. Let's start off with a couple of questions to you aircraft designers. How long does it normally take you to create your first external shape? How do you transform your top-level aircraft requirements, commonly known as TLAR, to the whole set of parameters defining your model? JPAD Modeller provides you with a rich and smart user interface to accomplish these tasks in seconds. The end result is an automatically generated, high-definition, CAD solid, that you can also export to various formats, including OpenVSP, CPAX, and FlightStream. We call it knowledge-based aircraft modeling. This is JPAD Modeller, a knowledge-based aircraft shape modeling tool. It's an amazing piece of software, conceived to support aircraft designers in their conceptual and preliminary design cycles. JPAD stands for Java API for Aircraft Design. An API is in fact an application programming interface, that is, a software library providing building blocks to develop software systems in a given domain. One such example is JPAD Modeller, a desktop application with its own graphical user interface, developed by SmartUp Engineering to meet the needs of aircraft designers in their work at the conceptual and preliminary design stages. Let's mention some of the main features of JPAD Modeller. The user interface and the user experience has been developed by expert aircraft designers and researchers. Users are able to initialize their designs from a given set of aircraft top-level requirements. And there are several predefined sample sets of TLARs already available that users can work on and customize. With JPAD Modeller, users can manage the definition of aircraft subcomponents, with several dedicated panels and visual aids. JPAD Modeller provides a specific module of advanced CAD generation functions, featuring lots of geometry consistency checks. An outstanding feature of JPAD Modeller CAD module is that it generates automatically all sorts of movable surfaces, such as wing flaps, slats, and ailerons, as well as elevators and rudders. The geometric outputs are awesome. Finally, users can export their designs in a variety of formats, including JPAD native XML-based input file, CPAX, OpenVSP, FlightStream by Research in Flight, BREP, STEP, IJS, and STL. This is just a taste of what JPAD Modeller is. In these video tutorials, we will look into the details of the CAD manager of JPAD Modeller, represented by the sliding menu accessible using the button at the top right part of the 3D view window. This is the core of the CAD modeling engine of JPAD Modeller and allows you to easily customize all the details required by your final aircraft model. This video tutorial series will guide you through the various functionalities of this user interface. In the end, you will have an idea of how to manage and customize your JPAD Modeller aircraft CAD with all the advanced features provided by our tool. Enjoy!